Raising all four runners as bounces away as one. We have Totis Best. Very quickly at the start. Oh, Waki Ali Ali in the middle portion. Dancing Storms alongside fourth. And going along for the first turn, we have Totis Best by our length. Eddie Hub. Oh, Waki is down on the inside second. Ali Ali is racing in third. Dancing Storms is down in fourth. We have Totis Best by our length. Eddie Hub. And in second, Ale moving up on the outside, Dancing Storms. Owaki is running by the rail port. Back to the leader, we have Totis Best via the length. Moving up down on the inside is Owaki, Ale in the middle. Dancing Storms running 6 deep. And at the far turn, we have two runners fighting out for the lead. Totis Best by about half length. Owaki in second, Dancing Storms now moving up on the outside. Ale is racing in fourth, and Diana went in the home stretch. We have Totis Best moving up on the outside is Dancing Storms. Down on the inside is Owaki Ale with about 150 meters more to run. We have Totis Best by our length anyhow, followed by Dancing Storms in second, Owaki, and finally it's Totis Best. Dancing Storms, Owaki, and Ale.
Brother Patty scoring 1 from Kuya